Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR or zip files on your Realme Narzo 50A Prime. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our RAR app and then find the file that we want to unpack. Mine is located in DCIM and then camera. Here's pictures.rar. Now let's open it. Here we'll need to enter the password because the files are encrypted. So for me the password is 1234. Actually it's 123, sorry. And then OK. Now select the files that you want to unpack, or simply don't select any, and then entire archive will be unpacked. So now press the arrow pointing up and you'll be able to customize how the files will be unpacked. Press on the browse to select the destinations, and I'm gonna unpack it in movies. Here you can ask before overwrite without prompt, and skip existing files. So I'm just gonna choose this third one. You can keep broken files and do not extract paths, and the last option is to display extracted files. After doing all this, you can press OK, and your files will be unpacked. We can navigate to movies, and here's two photos that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.